Good morning to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a future retail share updates. So in the previous video I've discussed about Alok Industries. I've discussed all the levels. So if you're not yet subscribed, then definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. Now let's see the news on this future retail. Okay. So you can see that Reliance Industries and the Future Retail in the process of finalizing a share swap deal. Okay, so finally this update has come almost 1 hour back, around 8 o'clock. So I have updated it immediately. So you can see that this news was almost aware to us almost few weeks back only. I have made a video in that also. I told that the share swap may be possible and you need to be do not panic at any situation. Just the strategy is that you need to put a small quantity. Okay, and I told that almost when it approaches its book value, these type of news will start coming. Okay, almost this share also current market price is 105 rupees and book value is also near 80s and 90s. Okay, so almost it reached its book value. Now this update has come. Okay, so what will be the swap ratio? The swap ratio may be almost 1:30. That is for 30 retail shares you may get one Reliance share. Okay. Next, if we see the synopsis, we can say that the swap arrangement would result in Kishore Bianis and other shareholders of Future holding shares in RIL. Okay, this is clear. So one person aware of the development side. So Reliance would directly repay Future's lenders but would not pay any cash to shareholders. Okay, for shareholders, they're not providing any cash but only to the Future lenders. So this was the latest update on this. And we also discussed in previous videos that we can hold the share, we should not do any selling. Now let's see on charts that what we can find out the possible levels of the share. So when you see the current market cap is almost 5,709 crores and you can see book value is 71.09 and deliveries are 99% and current P is only 8.27 whereas industry P is 65.04. Okay, just I wanted to show you the basic details of the company. Now let's see the technicals. The complete overview I've discussed in my previous videos. Okay, now let's see technicals. So now when we see on technicals, we can see that current market price is around 105.30 and you can see the immediate support for this around 96.90, and if today if it based on this news any movement will be possible, then definitely immediately update in the Telegram so that you can add in small quantities. And you can see money flow index also is showing that almost it has reached the oversold region. Next, what we can see on 1 week. Okay, so this is 1 week chart. Previous one was 1 day chart, same thing. So here we can see another last support that is around 80s, 88 and 90 rupees. So 90 and in 80s, if you get a chance also you can invest in this. And if any particular movement will be observed today, then definitely I will update in the Telegram. So this is all about Future Retail. So if you're not yet subscribed, then definitely subscribe for all the latest updates. So until then, take care. Bye bye.